Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix app icon disappeared from home screen after update in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're using S23 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your app icons are disappeared from your home screen after update, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, if you're using a Samsung S23 Ultra and your app icons are not showing on your home screen, so you just have to swipe up on your home screen and you might see app drawer. So basically after update, you might have app drawer and now your apps are being moved here. If you want to fetch them back on your home screen, so there are two ways. You can disable your app drawer or you can fetch apps from your home app drawer like you just keep a long press on any app. Click on select. Now select multiple apps you want to get on your home screen. Once I've done, just keep a long press on any app and drag and drop them on your home screen and the app will be set it on your home screen. Now the second way, you have to disable your app drawer like keep a long press on empty place, click settings. Now in home screen layout, you have to select home screen only, select apply. Once I've done, now your app screen has been disabled. Now you will get all your apps on your home screen. But if your apps are not showing, if your apps icon are not showing on your home screen and not in your app drawer, your app icons are disappeared or missing. So you have to simply go to your settings app here, and once you're in settings, just scroll down, look for apps, click on it, go to search and just search for One UI Home. Click on it. Now, once you are here, just go to storage, click on clear cache, and click on clear data. Once you have cleared data, just go back to your home screen. Now, it will make some moments to reload or to refresh your home screen, and after that, you might be able to see all apps on your home screen. It will completely refresh your home screen to default. So, by default, there's our app drawer and here's our home screen. But if your issue is still not fixed, so there's the only way, go to settings again, and in settings go to apps again, look for search for One UI again here. Now once you get that, you must see the force stop option. Just click on force stop, click OK. Now once you have done, you have force stop your One UI home, I recommend you have to directly restart your phone from here. Just scroll on your control screen, control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart icon again. Your phone will be restarted and your home screen will be refreshed. Now this time you might not get any type of error again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.